G'day ABN members. Today I want to have a quick chat to you about how to book in the showroom, boardroom and meeting room facilities located here in Tullamarine. Once you log into your ABN portal, you will see there's a booking app located on the home screen, which is this box here. Click on the Book Now button and then you'll be given three options. Option 1 is the showroom booking, option 2 is the boardroom booking, and if you scroll down, the final option is the meeting room booking. For today's example, we will choose the 1 hour showroom booking and then click Next. Now choose a date from the calendar and then you'll be presented with the available time slots for that particular day. Click on your time slot and then click Next. Now, if this is the first time you're making a booking, you will need to populate this form. So for every field that has a red asterisk, it's a compulsory field that needs to be filled out. Please include your company name, and at the bottom of the screen, tick this box that says Remember Me. And what that does is, the next time you make a booking, it'll automatically populate all these fields, saving you time and effort. Once done, click on the Confirm button. You will then be emailed a confirmation within the next few hours. To close this window, just click on this Close button and you'll return back to the ABN portal homepage. If at any point you want to redo your booking or start it from scratch, all you need to do is refresh your web browser and then start the process from scratch. So that's about it. Very easy, and I'll see you on the next video.